안녕하세요 여러분, Jaljinesso. Hello everyone, welcome back to K-Influencer Video Mission. This is the second part of K-Influencer Video Mission. The theme I choose this month is combining Korean culture with the culture of my country, Indonesia. In this second video, I want to share about the similarity about Korean and Indonesian fried food. It's called Twigim. But before I start the video, I want to remind you to don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Twigim means fried in Korean, and you can find in every traditional market or street food in around Korea. Basically, there is some kind of twigim. There is a yache twigim made from a vegetable, usually using carrot or green bean. There is a goguma twigim made from a sweet potato. There is a gochu twigim made from big green chili. There is a mandu twigim or a fried mandu, and yojingo twigim made from squid or shrimp.
Years later.
I'm done with make a twigim, and this is the look of a twigim. For this twigim, I use three kind of ingredient. There is a paleo leaf, sweet potato, and mushroom. And this is the sauce, a Shoyu sauce. And this is the Indonesian fried food. I already bought this before. This is fried tempeh, fried tofu, and this is called risol. If you're curious about what is the similarity between twigim in Korea and Indonesian fried food, basically you can use many kind of ingredients you like. For example, in Indonesia you can use tempeh, tofu, or sometimes you can fry some vegetable, mixed vegetable, and sweet potato also, or cassava, or even you can fry banana. Many kind of ingredient you can use. And in Korea also you can use not only three kind of ingredient I use in this video, but you can use other, like I said before, you can use a squid or shrimp, you can use a mandu or any other vegetable, or even you can use a big green chili for twigim. Let's try the two kind of twigim. The first, I want to try a paleo leaf, and I want to use the sauce. Very crunchy. Combined with the sauce, the taste of the sauce is salty, sweet, and also spicy, a little bit spicy. Yummy. You can eat this for snack or maybe an appetizer or side dish if you eat with rice. The second, I want to try sweet potato, fried sweet potato, with the sauce, of course. A unique taste, sweet, and then the sauce is salty. Make the taste is very, very yummy. The last is mushroom. And next, I want to try Indonesian fried food. The first is tempeh, fried tempeh. Very crunchy. The taste is salty. And usually, we eat fried tempeh with the small green chili. The second, I want to try the fried tofu. Crunchy outside and still juicy inside. Of course, with the small green chili. The last is risol. Risol is similar with gimari because risol also using vermicelli like this, but without a seaweed. That's good. Salty, chewy, and of course yummy. Don't forget to eat with small green chili to give you a spicy taste. I'm done with the review, and I hope you can get the information about a variety of Korean street food. And if you're curious about the taste of Twigim, you can try at home with the food recipe I shared before. Alright, this is the end of the video. 감사합니다. Thank you for watching. Have a happy cooking. 안녕히 가세요. Bye bye.